The camera world has been haunted by a brilliant, frustrating ghost for years, a shadow left behind when one of the most polarizing and beloved camera lineups in modern history went dark. When Fujifilm quietly discontinued the iconic X-Pro 3, they didn't just stop manufacturing a camera body. They left an open wound in the hearts of purists, street photographers, and rangefinder obsessives who valued the tactile, deliberate rhythm of documentary shooting over pure digital convenience. The internet has been flooded with half-truths, frantic forum threads, and supply chain leaks hinting at what comes next, leaving everyone to wonder if the rangefinder form factor is truly dead or if a massive rebirth is quietly underway behind closed doors. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. For the demanding United States market, where content creation and high-end street photography demand absolute perfection, the vacuum left by this camera line has forced creators to choose between clinical full-frame mirrors or bulky bodies that completely strip away the soul of the shooting experience. But as we look deep into the industry roadmaps, leaked component orders, and direct whispers from global supply chains, a thrilling reality is taking shape that confirms the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is not only alive, but it is being engineered to completely redefine what a premium crop sensor camera can achieve. The tragic end of the previous generation model was never a failure of concept, but rather a mechanical heartbreak caused by a notorious sub-display ribbon cable issue that forced the company into an early retirement of the chassis, leaving them caught between a rock and a hard place while they scrambled to design a successor that could withstand the brutal, daily demands of professional documentary filmmakers and street shooters. This prolonged absence created an agonizing gap in the market, but it also granted the engineering team a massive window of time to look at their entire ecosystem, evaluate the explosive success of the high-resolution sensors found in sister models, and craft a rangefinder that isn't just an incremental refresh, but a spectacular evolutionary leap. The core philosophy of this upcoming camera remains completely fiercely dedicated to a distraction-free, analog-inspired shooting experience. Yet the internal architecture leaks point to a powerhouse capable of going toe-to-toe with the most advanced hybrid bodies on the market today. Industry insiders and distribution channels indicate that this long-awaited masterpiece is designed specifically to capture the premium market segment, serving as a specialized tool for creators who demand flagship speed but refuse to compromise on the physical, tactile dials and unique optical viewpoints that made the brand a household name among elite visual artists. At the very heart of the upcoming Fujifilm X-Pro 4 lies the definitive answer to the resolution debate, with highly reliable component leaks confirming the integration of the flagship 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR backside illuminated sensor, paired seamlessly with the cutting-edge 5th or potentially 6th generation X processor architecture. This represents a monumental leap over the 26 megapixel limitation of the previous generation, unlocking an extraordinary level of fine detail, rendering textures with a razor-sharp precision that allows street photographers to aggressively crop into their frames without losing the organic, film-like grain structure that the X-Trans layout is celebrated for. This sensor choice signals a clear intent to elevate the rangefinder line into the upper echelons of fine art photography, offering an unprecedented pixel density that can even leverage a massive 160 megapixel pixel shift multi-shot capability for static landscapes and studio work, proving that this vintage-style body will carry the muscle of a modern studio workhorse. The processing pipeline is being completely overhauled to manage this massive influx of visual data, ensuring that the sensor's high-resolution capabilities do not choke the camera's performance, but instead enhance its dynamic range, low-light noise management, and color fidelity to levels never before seen in an APS-C rangefinder chassis. The processing engine upgrades will completely revolutionize the autofocus capabilities of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, introducing a deeply integrated 4200-point intelligent hybrid AI autofocus matrix driven by advanced deep learning algorithms trained to recognize, track, and lock onto a staggering variety of subjects with absolute tenacity. For street photographers working in the fast-paced, unpredictable environments of major metropolitan areas, this means the camera can instantly distinguish between human faces, eyes, fast-moving vehicles, and animals even in deeply challenging, low-contrast environments or under harsh, flickering city lights at midnight. The predictive tracking capabilities are rumored to be light years ahead of its predecessor, meaning you can confidently shoot from the hip or capture fleeting, split-second human interactions without the crushing anxiety of missing critical focus. A massive relief for documentary journalists who rely on instantaneous response times to capture history as it unfolds. This advanced artificial intelligence integration doesn't just improve tracking accuracy. It optimizes the overall speed of the lens elements, unlocking the absolute maximum performance out of both classic prime lenses and the newest linear motor lenses, transforming older glass into hyper-responsive tools perfectly tuned for modern street geography. One of the most fiercely debated, highly anticipated aspects of a new architecture is how the engineers will resolve the polarizing dilemma of the rear display screen, an element that defined the identity of the previous version but ultimately led to its mechanical downfall. Credible design leaks and retail documentation indicate a complete departure for the controversial hidden screen layout, moving instead toward a highly refined, low-profile three-way, tilting flush LCD display that beautifully mimics the clean, distraction-free aesthetic of a traditional film backdoor when closed, yet pops out with effortless fluidity when you need to compose low-angle or high-angle vertical shots. This design masterstroke satisfies the purists who wish to shoot without the constant, addictive urge to review every single frame on a digital panel, while simultaneously providing modern hybrid shooters with the essential tool required for complex, geometric compositions without forcing them into awkward physical contortions on the pavement. The mechanical structure of this new tilting mechanism is being engineered with heavy-duty weather-sealed hinges and a reinforced ribbon architecture, completely eliminating the structural vulnerabilities of the past and ensuring that dust, moisture, and intense physical impact will never compromise the operational integrity of your display while out in the field. The true crown jewel of the rangefinder experience has always been the viewfinder, and the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is set to introduce a heavily upgraded, state-of-the-art hybrid optical and electronic viewfinder system that firmly cements this camera line as a completely unique entity in a sea of identical mirrorless boxes. Rumors point to a stunning, ultra-high-resolution 5.76 million OLED panel for the electronic viewfinder portion, offering a blindingly fast refresh rate, near-zero latency, and an exceptional contrast ratio that makes manual focusing an absolute joy, allowing creators to perfectly judge exposure, white balance, and film simulations in real time before clicking the shutter. For the optical purists, the reverse Galilean optical viewfinder is retained with sophisticated electronic overlay refinements, allowing you to see completely outside the frame lines to anticipate moving subjects before they enter your composition, a timeless street shooting technique that no standard electronic viewfinder can ever truly replicate. This masterful blend of old-world mechanical perspective and futuristic digital precision is receiving updated glass elements within the eyepiece assembly, significantly reducing distortion and expanding the magnification capabilities to ensure a crystal-clear, comfortable view for photographers who wear glasses or shoot in blinding midday sun. For the first time in the proud history of this rangefinder lineup, the addition of a custom-engineered, hyper-compact 7/8 in-body image stabilization system is being integrated directly into the chassis, an engineering marvel that completely changes the rulebook for handheld, ambient light photography. Historically, the inclusion of stabilization mechanisms required a massive, thick camera body that stripped away the sleek, pocketable nature of a rangefinder, but advanced aerospace-grade materials and smaller magnetic actuators have allowed the engineering team to cram a flagship stabilization unit into a remarkably slim profile. This means street photographers can confidently wander the dark alleys of downtown areas, shooting handheld at shockingly slow shutter speeds like a quarter of a second or even a full second, capturing silky motion blur in water or passing traffic, while keeping the structural architecture and human subjects perfectly tack-sharp without ever needing a tripod. This stabilization matrix works in perfect harmony with the intelligent autofocus system, counteracting the natural micro-tremors of human hands and vastly expanding the usability of non-stabilized, ultra-fast classic prime lenses, giving a completely new lease on life to iconic glass that previously required fast shutter speeds to remain sharp. The legendary color science that draws millions of artists to this specific ecosystem is receiving a massive upgrade in the Fujifilm X-Pro 4, featuring the native integration of the highly coveted Reala Ace film simulation profile, alongside deep-level custom lookup table support that allows filmmakers and photographers to load their own color matrices directly into the camera hardware. This profile offers an exceptionally nuanced, neutral color reproduction with deep, sophisticated tonal gradations that perfectly capture skin tones, organic textures, and complex lighting situations with an elegant, cinematic quality straight out of the camera, saving countless hours of grueling color grading in post-production. Furthermore, whispers from internal design groups suggest the potential inclusion of a dedicated, physical top film simulation dial or a deeply customizable control wheel layout, allowing photographers to instantly switch between classic monochrome, vibrant chrome, and soft portrait tones on the fly, without ever diving into confusing digital menus. This commitment to tactile immediacy reinforces the core identity of the camera as an extension of the photographer's hand, where every critical creative choice can be made purely through physical feel and muscle memory, allowing the artist to remain completely locked into the present moment.